Hey guys, can I get to 100 subscribers because I really want it? Today I'm going to show you my favorite toy animal to sleep with. Her name is Risa. She has this dress that's pink, blue, pink, and then little stars. Then she also has pink skin, and then HD, and then a little star, and her little top. Do you that?